Imagine this. It's 2025, and you're on the hunt for new beauty products without committing to full-sized purchases. You open the Birchbox app expecting a personalized and exciting experience. But here's the big question. Does Birchbox still deliver real value, or has it become just another overhyped subscription? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know if it's worth your time and money. Birchbox has been a leader in the beauty subscription world for years. The app offers curated boxes of skincare, hair care, and makeup products delivered straight to your door. What sets it apart is the ability to personalize your selections based on your preferences. In 2025, Birchbox still offers two main options. The monthly box, which includes 6 products with at least 1 full-size item, and the signature box, delivered every other month with 4 full-size products. The quality of products is impressive. You get items from popular, trusted brands as well as indie labels, giving you the chance to discover something new and exciting. The packaging is sleek and reusable, which adds a thoughtful, eco-friendly touch to the unboxing experience. Of course, no service is perfect. Some users have noted that the product selection can occasionally miss the mark, meaning some boxes may not fully match your personal style or preferences. While the app allows some customization, there's room for improvement in how well the boxes reflect your tastes. Pricing is reasonable. The monthly box starts at $20 per month, while the signature box is $44 every other month. Considering the quality and variety of products you receive, many users feel it's a good investment for exploring new beauty items without committing to full-sized purchases. So is the Birchbox app in 2025 still a beauty box worth subscribing to? If you want a curated selection of high-quality products delivered right to your door and enjoy the thrill of discovering new brands, Birchbox remains a strong choice. But if you prefer full control over every product or have very specific needs, it may not be the perfect fit. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried Birchbox? Did it meet your expectations, or did it fall short? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another honest app review.